Welcome to MH Radio Control. It's Mike, and today I'm going to do a few things in this video. First thing is I'm going to do a small channel update, talk a little bit about some of the stuff that's going to be upcoming, and then I'm going to do a short unboxing of this. This is the iFlight iH3 3-inch frame for with the dual stacks for micro HD, and then I'm going to have details on a giveaway of this said frame. So first thing, as you can see, I have the FuriousFPV True D. This is the version 3.7, and this is the FatShark Attitude version, which is what I have. I did have a rapid fire on pre-order way back in May, but then to be honest I just got tired of waiting on it and I wanted to try out diversity, so I just decided to get this, and I'm going to be trying this out with the Menace RC, the Pico patch, and also their little Raptor Omni. I think that'll be a great combination. And also I'm going to try it with one of these, the little Bandicoot, this linear antenna. Now this is made for these types of linear antennas, so I'm going to try that. I think that'll be good with the Omni, but then I also might try, just for fun, see how that works if I try to run two of these in some kind of linear diversity setup, have one pointing up and one pointing out. Let's see if that does anything. Just kind of curious. And then the other thing I have coming in that I'm very excited about is the Caddx Turtle. Waiting for that, it's on its way from Banggood. And I have the Airblade Intrepid V2 frame coming, so that's on its way. And then so hopefully everything will get here, hopefully by the end of the week or maybe early next week. And the reason I'm giving this frame away is I didn't think the Airblade Intrepid was going to come in stock in time before I got the camera, so I didn't want to have the camera and not have a frame. So I got this as a backup, but since the Intrepid actually shipped out today, I think I'll have it in time for the camera, so this one is going to be surplus to my needs, so I think I'm gonna give this away. So let's unbox it and let's see what you're going to get if you win. I'll have the rules after after I unbox it. So here, I got a nice set of stickers. I might actually keep a couple of these. And here's got a little 3D printed mount for the antenna, and the back looks like, I think this is an additional camera mount if you wanted to mount a GoPro on top, like a Session, but since this is made for micro HD, I'm not sure why you'd want to do that, but it comes with it. Here's a little bag of hardware. Here's the frame itself. Looks like a pretty nice quality, and I've seen other unboxing online of this, and it looks pretty good. The edges are rounded off, and you can put your two 20mm stacks, so like you can have a video stack and then a power stack. Instructions in, looks like a pretty decent little appropriately sized strap here. So let me put everything aside. I think I'll weigh it here. Let's see what this hardware weighs. There's the frame, hardware, and then I'm not going to weigh this camera mount with it because you only need the one that it comes with. And let's see the strap and the 3D printed mount. So that's about 49 grams minus the bags. Let's say it's 47, 48 grams. So that's pretty light. And oh, before I forget, let me measure some of these things here in case you're interested. So the distance between the two stacks looks like it's about let's say 12 millimeters, 11, let's say to be safe 11 millimeters between the two stacks. And I think, pretty sure the motor mounting is between 9 and 12 millimeters. Yeah, it's like 9 and 12. So you can run 11 XX motors, probably up to 14, or the smaller size ones anyway. So yeah, to enter, this is all you have to do. You just have to be a current subscriber, and you have to leave a comment, just a single comment. And in the comments, just say what you would like to do with this frame if you got it, what camera you would put in there, maybe what kind of electronics you might have in mind. So just leave one comment, what you would do with the frame if you want it. And I'll do a drawing on, I'll pick a winner at random from the comments on Sunday night, and then I'll announce the winner sometime Monday morning. So good luck with that. Please look forward to more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.